Welcome to the workshop. Today in this video, we're going to take a look at this 60-inch Heavy Duty Adjustable Workbench by Enjoywood. To get started, I got all the pieces laid out here, and let me start by saying that Enjoywood sent me this bench out at no charge and asked me to give an honest review. I'm not getting paid to do this video other than them sending me the workbench. So I'll be giving you very direct and honest feedback. The packaging was really well done. Every piece was individually wrapped to keep it from getting all scratched up. The other thing I noticed is all of the parts are labeled, so it'll be easy to identify which parts to use from the instructions. To get started, I'm going to go ahead and build the base frame with the beam and the legs. Once the frame is built, you can screw it to the top using the provided screws. All the holes are pre-drilled, so that makes it nice and easy to know exactly where to line this up. This particular model comes with drawer slides, so the next step is to install the supports for the drawer slides. This particular model comes with adjustable legs, and you can adjust the height of this bench from 28 inches to 40 inches. And I'm going to make it around 36, which is hole number 5. And all you have to do to adjust the legs is take out the screws on the side and put 2 screws in after you get it to the height you want. So these are some big feet, heavy duty rubber, good sized bolt, and these are going to be adjustable. This is what helps you make sure you get this thing level. So we'll get those all installed real quick. The next step is to install the outlet on the side of the bench. The last step on the workbench here is the drawer assembly, which I'll save you the trouble of having to watch me work with these little tiny nuts and bolts, but basically there's nuts and bolts that go into each of the corners. There's a center divider that we'll install, and then you screw the bottom onto the whole piece. So I'll do that off camera and then just show you the finished product. So we're all done assembly. This particular model came with a shelf to go on top, so we'll talk about that in a second. Let me kind of walk through the features, the things I like, the things I don't like about this. The first thing I'll say is it's a real sturdy bench. The feet at the bottom are adjustable. This is in a garage where the floor pitches, so it was good to be able to get this nice and level. The other thing that's nice is the adjustable height. So being able to go from 28 to 40 inches makes it nice. I like to work at just about 36 inches. It's got the integrated drawer, which works really well. It fit perfectly after assembled. Now it was a little bit of pain. There was a lot of little screws trying to work in tight spots, but I was able to get it done with a screwdriver and a little wrench. And then it's got the integrated outlet on the side, which we showed you when we installed that. It's got a nice thick top. I don't know, it's about 1.25 inches. And then came the shelf. So I like the convenience of a shelf above a workbench. I can put all kinds of stuff. I'll probably use this. I'll probably build a drill station up here because right now my drills are in an inconvenient spot. The thing I don't like about this shelf is the wood tone is a different color. The other thing is every screw that I had that came with this was black. And they gave me silver screws that are exposed on these brackets instead of black screws. So I've got all this nice black hardware and these ugly silver screw heads sticking out. Other than that, like, I have no complaints about the workbench itself. You could actually use this as a desk. It's really nice. The only thing that I didn't like about this package was the shelving piece itself because, like I said, it's not consistent with this. The quality of the product is good. The build is, the packaging was really great. I would say if you're looking for a quick and easy type of a workbench to throw in your garage, Sure, you can build a bench. It'd probably take you an entire weekend, if not longer. This took me about 30 minutes to put together. So I'd say it's even affordable when you look at the price of wood nowadays. I put a link in the description that includes a discount code of 11% off. That discount is good until the end of this month, March 2025. They also have a lot of other versions of this. There's some with a bottom shelf. There's some with a pegboard back. There's different sizes. So be sure to check out Enjoywood workbenches. Like I said, these are good, durable benches. I was extremely happy with the packaging and the assembly. The instructions are easy to follow and spot on. I hope you found this video informative. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.